My friend's doing her makeup so slowly. I'm going to hurry her up a bit and accidentally push her arm. Oops.
Oops. Hey guys, if you're new here, my name is Ava. Today I want to replicate a few of the hacks that 5-Minute Craft have come up with. So I'm gonna see if this actually will work. First of all, second of all, if those hacks are even good hacks, even if they do work. Let's see how they go. So for this first one, I'm gonna use a pink or nude lipstick, but I assume that it's the technique that matters. But let's see. So she applies the lipstick on its own with the applicator that it's already existing in the lipstick. And let's do that. And it does much. Clean lips, concealer. Oh, sorry, I'm so sorry. I had to apply it with the brush. Okay, so concealer and clean lips. Which most likely should not make any difference at all. Let's give them a chance. Let's see. Still smudges. But I gotta be honest, it does feel more stuck to my lip. Like before when I did it, it was more watery and definitely came off easier. Now I have to press my hand slightly harder. So if I do just this, it actually kind of worked. I guess 1 for 5-Minute Craft, 0 for me so far. I mean, it's not 0-0 because I learned something. So let's see the next one. So it's that you put the lip oil on your lip and then you use a drinking glass. You get everybody staring for days. Obviously it's just a young pretty face. Okay, so now what? This is a stupid hack. Like, I cannot do this. It's just stupid. Why did I even make a video about this? Like, I ruined my glass and my lips doesn't look any different. My lips doesn't look any different than if I would have applied it with even finger or I don't know, whatever. Like, I don't even need a brush. Like, what is, how hard it is to put lip gloss on that I need to use a drinking glass. Why? Why did I even make this video? Like, okay, I'm like, I can't. That's so annoying. I'm still angry. Like, why? Imagine what was going through the person's mind when they came up with this idea. They were just sitting and they were like thinking, like a new makeup hack. How about using glass? Put your lip gloss on your lip. And then he shared it with the rest of the team, and then the rest of the team was like, genius, we have to do that. Like, how did they come up with this shit? Okay, next one. I'm gonna use my lip gloss. This lip gloss is not so transparent. It has a bit of color, but I guess we are going to cover it with sugar, so it's gonna be fine. I need to come closer. Now the gold around. Doesn't look bad actually. But it looks really bad. Who are we kidding? Okay. Let me know if I did a better job or them. There is no way that this next one works. Like, no way. But I'm gonna try it. eyeliner. And I need a red lipstick. The red lipstick that I chose is one of the most creamy ones that I have, because I'm sure that if I pick anything more matte, it will not mix with the eyeliner. Because I mean, come on, it's eyeliner, it will get dried. But okay, let's try. Oh god. Okay, I have to do it fast because it's getting dry. Oh no, eyeliner on my lipstick. I think the idea of putting it in 4 different sections is crazy. I'm gonna do my own variation of it. It's actually not a bad idea when you want like a really red and dark lipstick. So I'm gonna... Oh. You see? This is how you should make it work. This works better, right? When I started this video, I was sure that all of these techniques are absolutely useless. And let's face it, most of them were. But I think this one actually kind of works if you want a bit darker lipstick. How is it? Do you like it? I like it. Next one, something that I actually have been looking forward to doing because it seems like kind of fun. So, violet eyeshadow. Oh, this is cool. Yeah, this is what I expected to happen. So on dry lips, eyeshadow doesn't really work, and this part is going as I expected. This violet one had really good quality to stick. This actually turned out to be the worst one. What do you think? Yeah, no, it didn't work. This was the worst one. I look like a corpse. It does not have any artistic value or whatever. Maybe if I had like violet eyeshadows. Oh, let's try that. This doesn't really work. But this, it's kind of funky. Yeah, I like it. Ones that I thought that would be horrible, they actually kind of worked. They suited me. The other one that I actually was looking forward to see kind of was like you know. So yeah, let me know what you like to see in the comments. Please subscribe to my channel for more wake up. Why do I call it wake up? Please subscribe for more makeup tutorial, and let me know in the comments what you like and if any of these hacks actually looked good in your opinion. I really like the dark red lipstick, but I don't think I will do any other hacks, including the one with the lip gloss and the glass. Like, okay, like I don't want to use bad words. So have a good day. Bye.